Is it time to buy or sell Lantern Pharma stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Lantern Pharma. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, 1st April 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since April 1st, 2025, our system has ranked Lantern Pharma as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.21. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a broad and downward trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely within this pattern. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 11% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between -27% and +33%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a decline of around 34%. According to our assessments, the stock's performance could vary between -59% and -2% over the coming year. This would equate to a future price falling somewhere between $1.35 and $3.25. Our latest daily update for Lantern Pharma includes the headline, Lantern Pharma Inc. stock price fell more than 6.5% on Tuesday, closing at $3.31. The Lantern Pharma Inc. stock price decreased by 6.5% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 1st of April, 2025. Dropping from $3.54 to $3.31. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 9.06%, ranging from a low of $3.31 to a high of $3.61. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of 11.73% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 39,000 shares, despite the declining prices. This could signal an early warning, suggesting that the risk may slightly increase in the coming days. In total, 60,000 shares were traded, amounting to approximately $198,100. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $9.36, while the lowest price was $2.79. Currently, the price is 64.64%, or $6.05, below the 52-week high, and 86.67%, or $21.53, below the all-time high on the 12th of October, 2020, when the price peaked at $24.84. Lantern Pharma Incorporated, trading under the ticker LTRN on Nasdaq, recently conducted its fourth quarter 2024 earnings call, unveiling key updates for investors. The company continues to utilize its proprietary Radar platform, which combines artificial intelligence and machine learning to improve the oncology drug discovery process. During the call on March 27, 2025, Lantern reported its financial results for both the fourth quarter and the full year, emphasizing ongoing progress in its clinical pipeline. Notably, Lantern's investigational drug candidates are advancing, with LP300's Phase 2 Harmonic trial moving forward after the first patient was enrolled in Taiwan. Furthermore, LP184 received a second fast-track designation from the Food and Drug Administration for its potential application in treating triple-negative breast cancer, indicating strong regulatory support and promising market opportunities. These developments could positively impact LTRN stock price in both the short and long term. In the near term, investor confidence may increase due to successful patient enrollment and FDA designations, potentially driving demand. Over the longer term, successful trials and market approvals could significantly boost revenue potential, making Lantern an appealing choice in the biotech sector. Overall, these recent updates position LTRN advantageously for future growth, as they highlight the company's dedication to innovation in cancer therapies. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 26th of April, 2022, it was reported that Colliers Securities assigned LTRN a buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have issued a general sell rating for Lantern Pharma stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts have assigned the stock a rating of strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Lantern Pharma. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may affect short-term development. The stock of Lantern Pharma Inc. shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In cases of upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at levels of $3.65 and $3.98. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, January 24, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 38.7%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Lantern Pharma Inc. experienced increased trading volume on the last day, albeit with declining prices. In technical analysis, this situation is referred to as divergence and may serve as an early warning. While increasing volume during falling prices can sometimes be seen as a positive sign, this typically occurs during standard sell-offs. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 47 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 30 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 27 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 7 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Lantern Pharma. Lantern Pharma Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $3.30. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last trading day, the stock moved 0.3% between its high and low, representing a change of 9.06%. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 7.85%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Lantern Pharma, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is experiencing financial losses. Even well-established companies can go through tough periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and possible bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Lantern Pharma. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Lantern Pharma is at $3.69. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Lantern Pharma faces its first support level at $3.30. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Lantern Pharma from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction was on the 24th of July, 2024, when Jeffrey D. Keyser conducted an insider purchase of 3,832 shares of common stock. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been set. Is Lantern Pharma stock a good? We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.